Thanks so much for the gifts that you've given to me and the money. I don't even know how to describe it. You're such a darling.
If you marry the woman you love so much, you need to take care of her. And you only give me only one daughter, so what else can I do?
Yeah.
I have to, spoil you with money and gifts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
Yeah.
And also for our beautiful, wonderful, intelligent, brilliant daughter.
Yeah.
Of yours.
I'm sure what else can I do? I need to shower you people with money and them stuffs, and being two ladies in the house to give you more money, more fame, more success, and more care. So I just want to take care of you guys to make sure that we're okay. More like a she.
Makes me laugh more and more and more and more.
Yeah. I love you too. Love you so much. You say, Ubana ya Jimmy, please. Ufia, she doesn't allow me to sit close to you.
Oh.
That's so, my Kobasa and I say, zero trying to food, you have to find your way, and you know how to do your things, and leave me and your mother alone.
I don't have any way to find. I have just this work. So.
And so?
Today we are over
you can't take my man away from me, my darling.
Interesting. No.
Until I find a man like my dad.
Yeah.
I don't think anybody on earth can please me.
Then great.
You'll get a man like me, don't worry.
Yeah.
The only thing is to calm down and search for a right person. You will get a man who is more better than me and more romantic than me. Yeah.
Romantic.
I pray so.
Yeah. You know your mother, as I am. No, I'm very humble. You see the way I treat your father. You get a boyfriend now, you start treating him like the way I treat your father. He will also shower you with money and love and everything. Yeah.
Can't wait.
Yeah, it will come to pass.
Yeah, sure. Oh, my beautiful angel.
Okay, honey, if the food is ready, can you serve it so that we can just find something to eat, because I'm hatching. My stomach is just
Food is ready.
Goodness. Me and my food, honey. After that, I think I have to give you money. You have to go out, because tonight is for me and your mother. This house belongs to us. You're not part of this house, so you can go
You're
out.
not going anywhere.
So, are you going to sleep in our room? How?
Shouldn't be doing this.
Why shouldn't I complain? Why do you behave like this? It's not nice. You see, you didn't even lock the door.
Baby, it's okay. The stress is too much.
What stress? What do I do to you?
You're stressing me too much. Like, of late you're complaining about everything.
I'm stressing you.
Yeah.
What do you do for me? What do you do for me? In this relationship that we are, what do you do for me? You don't buy me gifts, you don't give me money, you don't do anything. So what kind of a man are you?
It seems like this thing I can't around to me. What do you buy for me? What do you do for me? Who is feeding you all this?
So what's the essence of a relationship? Why will a lady involve herself in a relationship?
I've told you on countless times that my business, my work, things are not working as the way I want it.
But you eat, you drink, you buy things for yourself, right?
Be complaining about
I shouldn't be complaining, so what should I be doing?
Sometimes you should be understandable girlfriend.
You're not romantic at all. Trust me. Yes, we do see people, like I have friends.
So what do you want me to do?
Yes, I want you to behave like my father. Yes.
Your father?
You need to see how my dad, he treats my mom. Showering her with all sort of gifts. He shows so much love to her.
Your father is romantic, right?
Of course.
Showing care.
He's not like you.
Caring, right? You want care. So are you okay now? Are you happy now?
What was the meaning of what you just did? So do you see this as care? Oh wait. Listen. When we talk about love and care, it's not all these things you are doing. It has to do with making me feel feel like I'm a precious woman in your life. Oh, did you me so now was some so. Oh, son, your mom, and you say, Gonna kiss you, and your man kitting it to be. If you're kind of the little things.
How can you compare with your father? Please.
Now, so until what one wants me, the bio, and then I want me to a cast of talk and have a good to you. It's on I'm going some dress, be not some say, oh, I carry the Boatemaa. Me to come and come on, adding mom.
What?
When your chocolate be at the abremi, marriage Tiana.
You won't.
So what's your problem?
Right now, no. There's a whole lot of things, whole lot of things going on in my head. Work, money, how to manage things. So if you add this to it, I'll die.
No, the bottom line is they make honey in why you're just a wounty.
I will do it.
They make kind of
I will show you everything, at the care, the money, the whatever, the appropriate time.
Appropriate time being built. You don't force like I sometimes I don't even want to say, but I feel like telling you.
Be doing it.
You make me regret.
Mom. Yes, Daddy.
When did you say you got husband?
I'm tired. Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? I just got you this.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's why I love you.
I love you too. Hi, mind you, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Are you sure? Some thoughts you're not.
But then didn't you get anything for me?
Angel, my sweet honey, baby girl. Don't worry, tomorrow when I'm coming from work, I will put you a nice present. Right?
Okay. I can't wait to see what's inside.
Yeah.
Oh my God, African print.
Yeah. It was very nice that I decided to put it inside.
Oh, you're such a darling.
That's why I love you. I love you because I love you. That's why I married you. So it's good. I need to shower with gift and money.
Thank
so
you. Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. You love it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very nice.
I prayed
You can share it. Don't worry. I take 4 years.
No, I'll get some for her tomorrow. Don't worry. You just this one is better. I just bought it.
Thank you.
Yeah, because I have to shower you with money, gifts, and all these things because you're part of my
Oh my God.
Yeah, I love you, baby. Yeah, so you can get it. How long time? What are you watching?
Yourself.
So what
Yeah.
are you doing?
Thank you. I love it. Anyway, don't forget your appointment.
I won't.
Adjoa.
I won't.
Okay.
I will do everything to understand.
Yes, darling.
Yes, my honey.
Let's keep
My sweet
moving. Moving. The movie is really nice.
Yeah, the movie is like that. See who is here? Hey, that's my prettiest daughter. Wow, you're looking splendid.
Thank you, Daddy.
Yes, sir.
Sit down.
Feel at home. Yeah. You didn't tell me you're coming home.
Yes, Dad. Actually, I wanted to surprise you, just as you said. Mom, this is Zion.
Zion.
Yeah, my boyfriend.
Nice.
Oh, okay.
I just brought him to formally introduce him to you. Like we've been dating for a while, so I felt like it would be nice for me to present him before you, so that in case of anything, yeah, more times even if I'm not in the house, probably I'm with him. So that's why
nice.
I.
Sorry. Where are you from?
Please, I'm from Domian. I'm from South.
Kunsu. Yeah.
Yeah, Kunsu.
Yeah, Kunsu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're not actually one bedroom.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. What about your parents? What do you do? For a living?
I say goose.
It's not goose.
Yes, please.
What kind of goose?
Fruits and
accessories.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, it's a good job. You want to keep it up. You see, nobody started with a big money.
Sure.
We all start from small somewhere and we get to where we are today. So my only question for you is, are you ready and willing to take care of my daughter the way I have been taking care of her?
Yes, please. I'm not ready.
If you maltreat you see me in your dreams.
I'll do that.
And the day you touch my daughter, you rot in jail.
Mm-hmm.
If she does something that you don't like, you should report to me, and I will discipline her for you. But I don't want any man to touch my daughter. It's out of bounds.
Mm-hmm.
No matter what, you shouldn't lay your hands on her, because she is my precious jewels, and I spent a lot on her. And the only thing I will tell you is that shower her with love, and anything that you need, you will get it. I rest my case. No further question. Her Lordship. It's so amazing. But find him something to drink. Go and bring me my whiskey. You know how to take. Please, let's do it together. We are men. Let's leave the ladies to.
But you said we don't take alcohol.
Please.
No. Maybe.
I'm not talking to you, please. Can you move to your mother so that I move to the man to man, woman to woman? I don't want to be trouble, my friend. Shift your position. Come on. Go. Let me sit with my son-in-law and have a chat with you. Yeah, so how is business going? Stuff.
Everything is awesome. Small.
Yeah. Okay. So we tomorrow now we can fix things. Okay. I'll call you. Thank you.
So Zion, you are not willing to compromise, right? So when, upon everything that I said, you've not even made an effort. Bibi and found, right?
So when are you gonna stop complaining? That's all. You must complain everything.
I have to complain because one thing that I know for sure is that when a guy loves you, he invests in you. But and yes, but you feel like say you don't love me, so you don't want to invest in me.
I love you.
Then watch it.
What are you trying to say? Tell me, no, I love you so much.
What shows?
It's a matter of time. I've told you, say, and you might have if things are regular, whatever you need, whatever you want, I'll buy it. Please.
No. They may kind of one toy. And no, then so still our own toy.
That's
so on the own toy. It's okay.
You shouldn't be. Oh, what
are they saying?
Yes,
how long do I have to talk about this?
You shouldn't be talking about it.
I don't want to stress you. So
I'm not saying you're stressing me. I'm not saying that you're stressing me. The whole thing is take your time. Give me some time. And I'll make things better.
It's okay.
I'm sure.
No, I don't need it. I don't need that.
Hey, where are you going?
I'm going back to my house. Of course, I have to go back home. Then I'm not free here. And for somebody me coming up and down with time, energy, everything, I'm just wasting it.
You just came here for nothing.
Oh, it's nothing. I only came to see your face, right?
Hey guys, what's my things are getting out of hand with this gifting. Yeah, it's a man, yeah, and with that gifting there's no love.
I don't know what else you want me to say.
No you.
You can't know. So maybe by now I think you're off to someplace. Okay,
I got a corner or second. Who wanted a here tomorrow? So
there'll be tomorrow in here. Go to the right.
What's
I'll stand by this side.
Apart from this sudden change, buy me this, buy me that.
Yes, baby girl.
You're welcome.
Very fine, thank you, man. Let's get you this.
Wow.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah, for you. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it.
I'm glad that you appreciate it. Is the food ready? Can you say please?
Daddy, please wait. I really want to talk to you about something.
Why? Do you need anything?
Daddy,
Yes.
I just don't know how to, and I don't know how you're going to take it.
Why? What is it? Is there anything?
Daddy, I really love you.
Yeah, I love you too. I love you so much. I love you dearly, and I would do everything for you. So what is it to me?
Daddy, it's not what you think. Like,
What?
I'm trying to tell you that I have intense feeling for you.
But I am your father.
Daddy, it doesn't matter.
It matters.
I am so much into you. Like, I'm falling in love with you.
And you're my biological daughter.
Daddy, and it has nothing to do with you and I. Let's just forget that. Put that aside.
Why should I put that
So
aside?
you have to, because you don't have a choice. I am already into you, Daddy. You can't do anything about it.
But what if your mom finds out? What?
You're on your phone yet. Always on your phone.
Yeah, but that's not.
Well, with me and you are chatting too.
But you also not chatting.
You started it. I have no option than to take my phone. Huh? Won't you stop and find something for me to eat?
Why are you hungry?
Can't you see, man?
Hey, can't I see? Am I in your stomach?
Hey!
You know, get
You always
something.
complain of me being not romantic, but look at you, what you are saying. I'm in your house. I find something for me to eat. You are saying, let me be here.
You're in my house. You know why would I be a bit of a
And by all means, my house. It will be about my birth certificate. But you didn't come home.
Always
On your phone. Always when they be out chatting. We chatting and answer your phone. And they
You let me get something from the refrigerator for you. Okay. I'm tired. I think it's 12.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
So be careful. What man? Ano na ako? Ako. Okay, alam. Be a busy. I'm in the chat here. What? I don't want you to pretend as if you don't know anything. Just answer me. What's going on between you and your dad?
What are you talking about?
What am I talking about?
Me and my dad.
I'm not joking with you, right? What's going on between you and your dad?
What did you just say? You said me and my dad, so then
What's going on?
What are those relations? Then you.
What can you say is father-daughter relationship?
What else?
Is that how you are?
What else come over you? Are you okay? Like, are you okay? I don't get it.
You can go to such extent. What are you? Are you a
devil or what? Don't pretend as if you know nothing about what is.
Zion, I don't like what you're doing. What are you talking about?
You know what I'm talking about. What is going on between you and that? Huh? You think I don't have evidence?
Evidence of what?
I have evidence. You and your dad were having a secret affair. How could you do that? Huh? Boatemaa, that's the reason why you were pressuring me I should do this. You will compare me to your dad.
What?
Shut up!
No. Like you are getting things mixed up. I'm not having anything.
I said I have everything on. Just
everything what?
Unlock your phone and show me. Why should you? Why should you write? Said for the last time I'm asking you this. Tell me the truth, else. Tell me the truth, else. Do you want your mother to find out?
No, Zion.
Do you want your mother to find out?
At least, calm down.
So what is going on between you and your dad?
That's why I said calm down.
Okay,
listen.
I'm cool.
You just sit down. Let me touch you.
I should what? I should just talk and let me. Just talk.
Zion, sometimes you don't have to be too harsh.
I'm not being harsh, so I'm cool right now. What is going on between you and your dad? What is going on? What secret affair? What devilish act is going on between you and your dad? Huh? I mean, sure. Boatemaa.
Zion, listen. It's not like.
Okay, just talk.
You caused this. It's not my fault. Like, and it's not like I really intended to do something like.
Okay.
You know.
Oh, talk. I'm listening. Just talk.
Listen to me.
Oh, you can talk. We can talk without touching me, please. Talk.
Why are you being like this?
Okay.
It's nothing serious.
Don't
you
touch
understand?
Me. Okay,
it's nothing serious. It's
I'm
just that I just felt like he's good. The way he treats me, he shows me so much care. You don't do anything for me. You don't buy things for me. Like you don't even.
So you are trying to tell me that unless your father will buy something for you, you have to go in bed with him before.
It's not like in bed like what you are saying, but it's not like we are. But
I don't want lies. What I hate in my life is lies. Look at how beautiful you are, and why? What come over you?
Please, I'm sorry.
So you are don't do this. I can meet you on my knees. So who put you into this kind of act?
It's you, Zion. That's why I'm telling you that I'm sorry. It wasn't deliberate, please, Zion.
Hey, don't touch me. It wasn't deliberate for you to go in bed with your dad.
Zion, listen. You know, there's this one thing
about you get all this?
My dad is very romantic, Zion. Like, if I see the way he treats my mom, like, the way he handles her and all of that, some things make me feel jealous. That's why I was always telling you that.
Like, I'm confused here. Your dad is romantic, so have the nerves to go, like, remove your clothes, remove your dad's clothes, go naked. Don't touch me, please. Do you know the cause of it? Do you know that it's a taboo for a daughter to sleep with him?
That's why I'm saying that.
You what?
I know.
And yet still you move to do that.
I love my daddy. I love him so much. Zion, please. I want this to be between you and I. Please, I'm begging you.
What? You love your dad?
It's not like I don't love you.
No, please don't come closer to me. Don't come closer to me. Please go back. Go back a little.
Listen, wait. Hey, Zion.
You shocked me. You love your father to the extent you have to sleep with him. Boatemaa.
Zion, that's what I'm telling you. Say, man, shut up. And I felt say, like I wasn't getting that from you.
Okay.
And My dad was always here too, like he was available for me. It's me, it wasn't.
What I know is a father must take his responsibility as a father, not to sleep with you. And according to the chat between you and your dad, you forced things. Hi.
My dad was immature.
I didn't force you. I didn't say force him, but you forced things. You create this thing.
It's you, that is you. You caused all
I caused everything. Please. Hey, please. Oh, you shouldn't even touch me. What? Please. I don't want to get myself involved. This whole thing is a taboo for me to be. No. Being involved with you is a taboo. Don't.
It's not like I'm being honest with you. If you don't want it.
For sleeping with your dad. So I should go ahead and sleep with you too.
I said I've admitted it. I'm sorry. Let's just forget.
Your dad is romantic, right? Caring, right? Bought your things, right? I can't do such things. Please go ahead and be with your dad. Actually, I've heard you, and you shall meet her. Please stop that. I don't want that. I said I'm okay. So please.
Zion, what a surprise visit. How are you?
Please, I'm doing good.
Is Boatemaa that you're coming here?
No, please. She's the one. She's the reason why I'm here.
Why? Has she done something to you?
Yes. And it's very sensitive. And a very serious issue.
Is it?
And I've been noticing certain behavior from Boatemaa. It was big to me. Mommy, could you imagine that your daughter is dating your husband?
Hey, what are you talking about?
It's serious.
Hey, please just shut your mouth.
That's the reason why.
It's abomination. How come?
Yes, that's the reason why.
No, my friend. No. You cannot come to our house and then create confusion in our family. What is it?
I respect you a lot. I respect your family.
Please.
Yeah, I respect your family a lot.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yes, please.
Do you know how serious it is? Do you know that what you're telling me can kill me?
How can I lie?
And how can it be possible?
Mommy, you shouldn't.
Wait, listen to me first. Boatemaa is not adopted daughter or whatever. I and my husband gave birth to her. How can she?
That's the. I was even shocked. Boatemaa.
My friend, get out.
Mommy.
Get out now.
Let me.
Get out of my.
Please just listen.
I don't want to hear anything.
Please.
I don't want to hear.
Just listen to this.
Where?
Just listen to this.
Out.
Please.
Before I open my eye, you're out. Out.
Mommy, I love Boatemaa so much.
You love Boatemaa.
I will never do anything.
You just desire to destroy our home. Oh.
I'm telling you the truth. Please just listen to this. Just
listen to what?
Just listen to it, please.
No. I don't want to help.
Mommy, it's very serious matter here.
My own daughter.
Serious.
Sleeping with my husband.
Yes.
Her father.
Yes. Meeting that the man.
Zion, you want to kill me? You want to kill me?
I was even surprised. Boatemaa of all people. And your husband.
My own daughter.
The kind of respect I have for your husband.
My own daughter. Hey.
It's serious, Mommy.
So anyone can do this to me?
Your husband is sleeping with his own daughter under your roof.
It is my gentleman. Oh my God. What's the word? How?
Mommy,
No.
Who is in the house to come close to me?
Honey.
Yes, baby. Yeah, no. Hello, baby. Where are you going this night?
No, I got an emergency call. I have to go to bed.
And you didn't tell me anything.
I think you heard me. It's emergency. I just got a call.
Oh,
What's the next second?
Let me pick the car key so that I can pick.
No, I've already called Uber to pick me. Yeah.
Oh, mommy, but you know I can't live without you.
You can live without me. You have to learn how to live without me. One day I'm going to die and leave you.
Well, then I'll go with you.
What, ma?
Mommy,
To be
I'll go
honest.
with you.
No. You see me through this time, yeah. Don't
Okay.
worry. And what do you want me to buy for you?
Mommy, I'll
The whole Dubai.
Oh, mommy, I'll miss you.
I will miss you more, my dear. Come on. I'll miss you more. Yeah, honey.
You take care, okay?
I love you too.
I love you more. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Safe journey.
Yeah. And take care of yourself, yeah.
I will.
Sweetheart, take care of the dad, yeah?
Sure.
Please prepare food for him. Do allow the house girl to cook for him, okay?
I'll do.
Yeah, I don't want my husband to get sick, okay?
I'll do just
Yeah? Okay, honey. Come on.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So, you I'll give you a call. Okay, bye-bye.
Safe journey.
Wow.
What is
I
what about
just
this?
expected this. No, I have you all to myself. I am the queen of this house. Now you are my husband.
And let me tell you this, when your mother is around, stop coming close to me.
Oh,
Do you know
what's that?
why are you so jealous?
I'm so scared. Are you a baby?
I'm not. What's happening?
I mean, stop it.
She's your
She
mother.
won't suspect anything. She knows every girl likes. That's the Oedipus complex. Ladies are attracted to their daddies and then the males to their. Wait, don't wait. There's something I really want to talk to you
What
about.
is it?
Do you know what? You're not being fair to me.
I mean,
Do you know, I don't like the way you've been treating mommy in this house. You have to treat us equally. I'm so jealous. You've been giving her so much attention. Why?
but she's my wife.
No.
You're my daughter.
Yes, but now there's a difference. I'm not just your daughter. I'm also your fiancé. So you have to know the gap and respect it. You understand?
Okay.
I don't see you with her doing those things in my presence.
I will command the two together. But stop getting jealous.
Even in my absence, you have to deprive her. It's not right.
Are you happy?
Until I see that change.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
So you know when you take it. With all this sweetness.
Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Okay, let's go.
You take the lead out.
You know your mom will be coming tomorrow. So.
Why? I know everything. Don't be mentioning her name when you're having a nice time.
Okay, yeah, I won't.
I'm going to be buying some whatever.
I will do that for you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Finally. So, it's true.
Hey, it's not much.
Shut up! You are a disgrace. You are a disgrace to the whole world. Sleeping with your own daughter. Mama, what has come over you? Hey!
I'm sorry.
Hey! Boatemaa! I will see to it that I go to Mamefe. Until now, all the social media platforms. Hey! Don't get alone now. Give me a head slap.
Honey,
Come on.
honey, you know.
Listen, don't honey me. You had. Did you know me? Boatemaa. You know me. You know me. So you are doing this to me. Why do I do this to you? Why do I do this to you? Oh my God. I told myself. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Sorry. I don't think I'll call for divorce. I'll call for divorce. We'll call tonight. Please, I'll give you whatever. If you marry me again, I'll do this slap with my left hand. Please. I'll seek for divorce. Go and marry your daughter. She said we should do It's a work of the devil. It's not me. It's a work of the devil. It's not for you. It's not for you. So what are you going to do? I don't know.